Michael Saylor's strategy buys 22,337 Bitcoin. Let's take a look at what exactly is happening because we are having a breakout, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be very honest. I thought that the majority of this year was going to be just a boring and bearish year. But with what I am seeing, maybe, just maybe, institutional investors will be saving Bitcoin from its bear market, and just maybe we are in an actual super cycle. Let's take a look at the facts. Let's take a look at the numbers. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Crypto RJ. Now guys, this is the Bitcoin to 1 million channel. Everything you guys need to know about Bitcoin, whether it's strategic reserve updates, price predictions, news updates, everything and anything you need to know, this is the place to be. So make sure you guys subscribe down below. Very close to 100 subscribers, guys. If I could get there, that would be amazing. Let's keep pushing. So let's talk about Bitcoin. First off, price action, guys. We are above 74,000. Yesterday when I was making my video, we hit 74,000 and we've just been trading at 74, okay? Things are looking pretty good. In the past month, Bitcoin is now up 6%. In the past year, Bitcoin is down 10%. And guys, crypto is just doing well, right? A lot of coins are up right now. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty interesting. And I'm going to be excited to see where this week goes, because guys, we're still pretty much in war, but Michael Saylor is still buying at insane amounts. So he just disclosed a buy of $1.6 billion, and guys, this was mainly due to the fact of Stretch, and Stretch has been going crazy. So Stretch's 8K confirmed that 16,816 Bitcoin was acquired from Stretch, right? So out of this 22,000, 16,000 came from Stretch, which is insane. That's 6x the 4-week average and 3x the previous record. Now the treasury stacking just hit another gear, and guys, as this continues and moves forward, I do think that a lot of this money is going to keep on going into Bitcoin, and once more people understand how powerful Stretch is, guys, I think it's going to be insane. So we can see, guys, this is the Stretch.live website, the ATM, right? It has been on standby right now. From what I understand, it's only after the dividend gets paid off or something like that, that they continue to go ahead and basically print more with their ATM. Okay, pretty cool. Regardless, I'm definitely going to give you guys more updates, and I do have another video coming out going over what exactly Stretch is. So again, guys, make sure you subscribe for that one. Okay, now let's talk about Bitcoin, okay? And let's talk about Saylor. So there's now a 97% chance that Michael Saylor's strategy holds over 800,000 Bitcoin on its balance sheet by the end of the year. Now, how crazy would it be? And again, I don't know the statistics on this one, but what if, and this is a big what if, Saylor hits 1 million Bitcoin by the end of this year? How insane would that actually be? In my opinion, guys, that would break like everything we know about finance. If that actually does happen, there's no doubt in my mind that Bitcoin will probably be at an all-time high. There's no doubt in my mind that we will have multiple countries, corporations, and companies just, flooding the gates to buy Bitcoin. This is actually becoming a thing, guys. Game theory is at play here. This is one of those moments in history where we look back and go, oh shit, like, it was so obvious. Like, this was just happening in real time, and a lot of people aren't paying attention. Okay, luckily, you and I, we are. Okay, now moving forward, Bitcoin, or I guess moving backward, Bitcoin is back to where it was 2 years ago, which is kind of nuts to see. 2 years ago, guys, in 2024, I mean, hey, we were excited to see Bitcoin at 74K, right? I still think that, there's going to be a lot more bullish momentum coming soon. But again, if you guys do take a look at the past 2 years, we did trade sideways for a bit. We did have a boring bit of the year, which is what I expect this year to be, right? Again, I still do think that, but when I start to see certain things, I'm like, maybe we are in a super cycle. Now, you are still early, guys. For the context, Bitcoin is only at, well, what is it now? It's at, $1.4 trillion market cap, as opposed to gold is at 25 trillion and global stocks is at 124 trillion. People don't really understand how much potential there really is, guys. The amount of growth that can still happen from here is unmatched. And again, guys, I am freaking excited and will continue to make videos for you guys. Now, let's talk about Eric Trump. Now, he is going to be speaking at the world's largest Bitcoin conference in Las Vegas next month, and guys, I do think that there is going to be a lot of potential here with the Trump family and the Trump administration. I've seen a lot of theories, a lot of random stuff, but until they actually make some more moves, I'm not really going to say too much. We know Trump is a very crypto, he's the first pro-crypto president or whatever, and he ended up nuking all of our bags. Regardless, with the Trump family's Bitcoin mining company and everything they have going on, it is going to be interesting to see what he does say, because I'm definitely expecting some bullish news hopefully to come out that conference. Okay, now some news from across the pond, I guess. Japanese public company MetaPlanet has now raised 255 million to buy more Bitcoin. That's obviously very freaking bullish. So we're gonna have to see when their buys come in, how much they actually buy, because obviously, guys, they are a massive player in the Bitcoin space. And finally, guys, remember, If you don't own at least 0.01 Bitcoin, the time is now, guys. Bitcoin is so affordable at these prices. The more you can stack up, the better for you. You can set yourself up financially. Not financial advice, obviously, I have to say that. But guys, hey, the game is to get as much Bitcoin as possible at low prices. So one day when Bitcoin does hit $1 million, you'll have a fat stack to walk away with. But guys, listen, that is it for today. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.